Okay, okay. Second game po natin ngayon is between the Mechanicos playing in black versus ang white and pink combination. Yan po ang team in flights. Okay, this is your Aviation Friendly League, Dabas of Flying League. Would like to first thank the following sponsors, Team LB sa haling padala and Thread the Needles. And of course, nandiyan po ang SPB ARA o ako Representation and PSBQ. Second po natin po is Mechanicos versus the In-Flights. Eto na, game start now. Nice one, amigo. Nope, it's Mungkal, the high flying Mungkal. Mungkal. Mercado, Ian, Mungkal. Hirwa, pops up. No good. Mercado. Pe. Shooting for two si Mr. Pe. Pe, first shot, number 69. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo ng team In-Flights. Pops up, no good. Rebound still ba? Uy, foul called by Hirwa. Ricky. Alpal. Mungka. Teka lang. Natama na sa bakal. Symbol po, Mechanicos. Bola po ng Mechanicos. Number 25 for the Mechanicos inbounding. Hipolito, nope, it's Ricky. Pops up for 3. Nope, ayaw. Let's game, ingat po. Ingat na ingat ha. Okay, Pe. To Ian, binababa ang bola. Ian. Mercado. Nope. Rebound by the black shirts again. Ricky. Gutierrez. Uy! And one play. Nice play by Gutierrez. Brainy. Napaka-brainy naman. Gutierrez, number 20, for a bonus shot. Makano binahin sa Uber nung niligo kayo? Di ba naka-ano? Nasa ba sa nabigyan yung system mo? Alam ko na. Yung maling Newton na ilagay, no? Okay, basket made. 3-none. Ian Villanueva, binababang bola against Ricky. Ian, nagtatawag ng rest back to Pe. Pe, pops up. Wala pa rin. Mercado. Ayun, Mungkal. Wala rin. Isa pa daw, Mungkal. Mungkal muli. Wala pa rin. Nice boards. And Ricky. Hirwa. Ricky. Nope, it's Nando. Naku ni Hirwa ang bola. Nando si Mercado, foul call. Wala si Ariola. Baka naka-duty si Ariola. Okay. Again, mali po tayo. Mungkal, 2 points. Sinubo ang bola. 2 points by Mungkal. And Mr. Ricky, 3-2 score. Hipolito. Ricky. 2 points. That's Amigo and Ricky connection. Hirwa. And Ricky. Gutierrez, no good. Again, Mercado, binababang bola, Mercado, nakalusot, Mercado, naipit. And Hirwa, binabate si Hipolito. Number 6, that's nice one by number 25 again. That's Amigo. 2 points Amigo, 7-2 po score po natin. Mongcal, uy! Good ball. Amigo, no good. Hirwa, Mongcal, 2 points again. High flying Mongcal, 2 points. Mongcal, the high flyer, 2 points. Julius Babagay, shoutout po. Bumabati si Babagay, may sasabi siya rito, basahin natin. No good. Again, 2 points, no good. Hirwa naka-rebound. Shoutout Robas, the gossip of the game, si Mr. Bustos. Ayan na. 6:08 remaining. Mercado. 7-4 score po natin. 8-4. Mongcal nakalusot. Sayang. Hirwa 2 points. Hirwa 2 points. Number 9, Ricky. 6:08 remaining. Pops up, Gutierrez, wala. Wala pa rin, pero meron na. Again, Amigo naka 2 points. Amigo 2 points. Mongcal. Pops up. 2 points again, Mongcal. Mongcal, steady lang siya, ganun-ganun lang. Siyang puntos sila, tangbol ang halos dito sa first quarter pa lang.
Top court. Yan o, tira mo na.
Ricky. Against Ian. No, Pichipolito. Ricky again. Dako ng pick. Ricky for 3.
Patay!
Nope. Rebound by Hirwa, naka-rebound. Mercado, 2 points Mercado. Okay, change 5 po tayo. Okay, sa Mechanicos, papasok si Baklan at si Ying. Lalabas muna po si Polito and Sinisa. And Medjarito. Tablanan po, of course, nandiyan na si Ariola. Si Bustos, rather, sorry. Si Borlasa. Si Bacchiano. Okay. Baredo at si Mr. Mike. Yan. Kompleto na. 5 minutes remaining. 9-11. Labang po ng dalawa ang team. Wala. Si Bustos nandiyan na. No good. Rebound. Number 20. Wala pa rin. And out of bounds. Tap out di Baredo. Baredo, tap out niya. Number 22. And Baklan. Ricky. Uy! 3 seconds violation. Tinawag ng referee. Shoutout po kay Roy Busos. Sabi ni Mr. Babagay. Busos, binabati ka na. Kuborlasa, no good. 9-11 pa na score po natin. Ricky, binababa ang bola at 4:02 remaining. Gutierrez, no good. Rebound by Baredo. Mike. Bustos. No, it's Bacchiano, Bustos, Bacchiano, Borlasa. Wow. Triple B combination. Bacchiano, Bustos, Borlasa. Again, 9-13, 3:37 remaining. Sa ating first quarter action, Ying. Ricky for 3. Malakas. Mike, naka-rebound. And Bustos. Nawala ang bola kay Bustos. Bakyana, binabatay si Ricky. Ying, pops up. Gutierrez, 2 points. 10, 11, 13. 2-point lead advantage by team in flights. Bustos. Bustos. Muntik na. Gutierrez called for the foul. Bustos number 0 shooting for 2. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Number 0. Bustos. Kapus. Black ball. Black ball po tayo. Black ball. Amigo. Amigo, binababa ang bola ngayon para kay Baklaan, number 4. Baklaan, number 4. Zigzag its way. Gutierrez. Gutierrez, power move. Palpal. Amigo. Gutierrez. Gutierrez, amigo. Dukot sa ilalim, pasok. Tablados. 13 tablados tayo. Ari Bustos. Mike, komposisyon. Nope is Borlasa. 2 points Borlasa. Ying. Ying again. Ying. Amigo, no good. Borlasa. Mike ka ako ng bola. And to Borlasa, nando si Baklaan. Baklaan. Ying. 2 points Ying. Okay, tablados muli po tayo sa 15. Jay Ramos is watching. 1:52 remaining. Bustos, number 0. Bustos! Uy! Take 2. Number 9, called for the foul. 1:43 remaining. Okay, Bustos. Inbounding muna. Inbounding si Bustos. Borlasa, ayaw. Walang pilasan si Borlasa. Walang pilasan si Borlasa. 1:37 remaining. There. Baklaan, binababa ang bola. Baklaan. Shake and pick. Baklaan. Nope, it's Ying. Ricky, pops up. Pasok ang bola. Basket made. Baredo. Mike again. Binababa ang bola ni Mike. Mr. Mike. Borlasa, fade away shot. 2 points Borlasa. Sweet na sweet, grabe. Suabe ang tira ni Borlasa. Borlasa, 2 points again. Baklaan, binababa ang bola. Baklaan. Ricky. Amigo, Borlasa na ako ng bola. Borlasa, walang nagbabantay. Borlasa, 2 points. Technical yun, bawal yun. Basket, pero may technical, bawal yun. Technical foul on the Bustos. Bawal yun. Ricky, for the technical free throw. Sinasad ka. Okay, nag-time out po ang team in flights. Rep. Anong tawag doon, Rep? Dahil Discorsity.
Nakasamahan.
Sa ano? Discorsity. Dito.
Pero basket yun.
Basket with pair
Bawal
discourse
talaga
doon.
yun.
Bawal talaga yun. Okay. Okay, technical free throw po para kay Mr. Bustos. Parang unsportsmanlike po para sa kanyang kakampi. Ricky, number 9, shooting for the technical free throw. Pops up. Wala. Okay, still, Mechanicos ball. Baklaan to Ricky, number 9. Ricky, binababa ang bola.
41 seconds.
Ricky for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by the block. By the in-flights. Ricky nandun nagam. Trading job. Again, Ying. Ying! Wala pa rin. Nandun si Ricky na naman.
20 seconds.
Baklaan.
Baklaan, pass to Amigo.
2 points, amigo. Again, lamang na naman ang Mechanicos.
10 seconds.
Ay, sorry. Mike for 3. Kapos.
5 seconds.
Ying. Ying. Kapos. Okay, that's it. First quarter ended. Coming up po is the second quarter. Lamang po, walang lamang. 19 lang po. Parehas. Okay, please take note po, bawal po yun ha, babantay mo yung sarili mong kakampi. Pambabastos to po yun, as per FIBA rules. You do it, meron kang technical foul kagad, as per FIBA rules. Okay, thank you pala po sa SPBARA, ako representation for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action. Okay, second quarter. Penalba, si Sir Philip, si Mungkal, si Hirwa at si Pe. Kabila naman si Polito, si Amig, si Baklaan, Sir Philip Singo for the inbound, si number 6, si number 23 at si number 0, si Ying. 5, Hirwa, Baklaan, pops up, tapos. Pe, nandun si Polito, Hipolito, binabang bola, Hipolito. Baklaan, binabang bola, Baklaan, Grammy strong, kick out, kay Polito, ayaw. Ying for 2 points Ying. De Padua. Pre. De Padua. Pabor naman. Ano lang. Paki-swivel lang. 3 points. Swivel siya na. Oh. Paano lang? Ito. Oh. Salamat ha. Oh, sumama magsalita ito. Hindi na. Yung director po.
Basket's good. Ball manager, number 16, Mungkal.
Welcome.
Salamat kay Di Padua. Thank you si Sir Di Padua. Baklaan again. Baklaan. Naiwan naman ang bola. Philip 5. Wala. Baklaan. Nice hustle play ni Baklaan. Baklaan. High nice hustle play. Ying. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Hirwa Mungkal. 5. Nandun si Polito. Kickball nga lang. Sabi ng referee. Kickball. Kickball by the referee. 7:51 remaining. Second quarter action. Nangalahati na po halos. 5. Pops up. Pasok ang bola kay 5. 3 points. Ying nagmamadali. Ying. Ayun. Hipolito. 2 points Hipolito. Nice shot by Hipolito. Nandun yung kanilang And Mr. Philip Penalaba 2 points. 3 points, sorry. Penalaba 3 points again. 26-30. Laman po ng 4 ang team in flights. 7:15 remaining. Baklaan. Again, Hipolito for 3. Malakas. 5. Foul. Ying called for the foul. Mr. Ying. 6:59 remaining. 26-30 ang score po natin. Philip 5, binababa ang bola. Hirwa for 3. No good. Nandun si Pe. Wala pa rin. Good ball. Foul called. Okay, back. Time out po ang Mechanicals. Mechanicals calls for the timeout. Laman po ang in-flights 26-30 at 6:34 remaining sa ating laro ng second quarter. This is your Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang Team LBC Haring Padra, Trade Unidos, and also powered by SPBARA, ako Representation for keeping the game in a legit, neat, and orderly fashion, and PSBQ Basketball League. You're watching Red Dead Sengay for tonight between In-Flights and the Mechanicals. Okay. Penalaba, papasa kay Mr. Philip 5. Okay, binababa na po ni Mr. Philip. Philip 5, pops up. Nuko, in and out. Philip 5 naka-rebound. Hirwa. Malakas. Pe. Hirwa. Pe again. Pe. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. White ball. What a wild ball game. 6 minutes remaining. Penalaba. Penalaba again for 3. Pasok ang bola. Penalaba 3 points. 26-33. A 7-point advantage have now been posted and enjoyed by Team In-Flights. Hipolito again. Two points, number 6. Medjarito, 2 points. Tama, Medjarito nga. 5:51 remaining. Second lineup, handaan nyo na po. 5. Pe. 5 again. For 3. No good. And Penalaba. Pe. Power move. Pe. Malakas. Hirwa. Hirwa, 2 points again. Hirwa, 2 points. 5:27 remaining. Hipolito. Ying, number 0. Ying, malakas. No, it's Hipolito for 3. Malakas nga. Hirwa na rebound. Binato kay Mungkal. Wala pa rin. Mungkal, rebound by Mungkal. Nakuha ni Baklaan ng bola. 4:58 remaining. Baklaan, out of bounds. Okay, change line up po tayo mga boss. Change line up po tayo. Ngayon si Mr. Borlasa, Bustos, Mercado, Baredo at si Mr. Mike. Kabilang po si Amigo, Gutierrez, Baclaan, Ricky at si Ying. Lost the ball. Amigo, 2 points. Mike, Baredo, Bustos, binaba ang bola. Bustos, number 0. Borlasa, Bustos again, Bustos, Baredo, 2 points Baredo. Baredo 2 points. 4:22 remaining. 4:20 remaining. 4:19. Ricky pops up. Ying 2 points. The typical kick pass. And Bustos. Nice dish of pass kay Baredo. Lumabas lang. Good ball. Baclaan. Foul on for sure for Bustos. Yung kanilang Mighty Mouse. Ying. Ricky. 3 points si Ricky. Ricky 3 points. 35-37. 3:32 remaining. Mercado 2 points. $3:16 remaining. Baclaan. Ying. Lost the ball. 2 points Borlasa. Serba bagay, 35-41, lamang po ang in-flights. Lamang sina Bustos. I repeat, 35-41, lamang po ang in-flights. Thank you very much. Ricky. Ying sa ilalim. Foul! Sana pero walang tawag. Nice one. And Borlasa, Mike. Easy 2 by Mike. Mr. Mike, easy 2. Ricky. Ying. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Baredo naka-rebound. Baredo, binababa ang bola. Baredo. Kick pass kay Borlasa. Malakas ang konti. Borlasa swiped away. Foul on Ricky. Ricky called for a foul. Parang...
Second personal foul.
Borlasa, 18, shooting for 2. First shot. Pasok. Second shot, Borlasa. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok. Both basket made. Ricky, binababa ang bola. Foul call. Foul on Bustos again.
There's a foul on it. Jersey number 0, pangatlo na po.
Hop! Teka lang, referee muna. Tanke referee muna yung bola. Masyado ka mainit ah. Okay, then naturo Ying, kinalawa. Wala. Again, Gutierrez. Wala pa rin. Amigo, wala. Foul called.
Foul on it, jersey number 3, Mike.
Mike called for the foul. And 1:26 remaining.
First personal foul, 30 foul.
Kuklaan, number 4. Baklaan. 2 points, Baklaan. Nice jump shot. Nando si Bustos. Bustos binababa ang bola. Bustos.
1 minute 10 seconds. Bustos.
Bustos. Kiniliwa, kinanan. Good ball. Baklaan to Ricky. Ricky. 2 points Ricky. Sabi ni Babagay, may pamay siya rito. Sabi ni Babagay, mahilig kasi sa sumundot si Bustos. Oh, may comment siya rito. Napakahilig mo raw kung sumundot. Sabi ni Babagay, Bustos again. Bustos. Crossover. Bustos. Good ball. Pasok ang bola. 30 seconds remaining. Ying, binababa. Long 2 lang pala. Long 2, sorry. Long 2. It's only long 2. Ying. Foul committed for sure. Contact given. Who's foul rep? Okay, that's Barredo. Called for a foul. 22, Barredo called for a foul. Ying shooting for 2. 16 seconds remaining na lang po ang nalalabis sa ating ball game na to. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo ni Mr. Ying. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. At 16 seconds remaining.
16 seconds remaining.
Pops up. No good. Mechanicals pa rin. Malakas. Mike. Ying, nakuha ng bola. Ying. Ying. Wala pa rin.
Gutierrez, rebound. 5 seconds. One
1 second remaining. Okay, after this po is QR projects and that's it. Okay, that's it po. That concludes now our second quarter action. Halftime po tayo yun. 42-47 score po natin. Lamang po ang the in-flights o team in-flight.
Work! Work!
Okay, dalawa free throw plus 2 points yata. Para sa in-flight, kulang sila ng dalawang player. Okay, siyan daw. Oh. Sabi ni Sir Matay Sandro, Idol Mercado, shoutout to sa'yo. First shot, wala. Second throw ni Ian. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, Ian. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, back to the ball game. Second half start. Bola po ng team dito. Mechanicals. Okay, second half start na si Mr. Ricky. Yan kanyang pinaka-skipper po, pinaka-kapitan po ng Mechanicals. And si Polito again. Yung go-through man, Gutierrez. Wala. Rebound. And one play pa. Medjarito, 2 points. Plus bonus free throw para kay Medjarito. Okay, Roshan, nandiyan sa loob na rin. Sa kabila, sa kabila. Okay, thank you. Medjarito. Second shot, Roshan against Hirwa. No good. Rebound by Ian. Riando si Ricky. Ricky for 3. Bang! 4-point play ang ginawa pala ng team Mechanicals. 47-49. Again. Bongkal. Wala pa rin. Nando si Roshan. Nope, naiwan ang bola. Bakiano. Villanueva. Pops up. Peñalaba. Wala pa rin. Riva Bongkal. Elis Ocampo.
Ball committed. Jersey number 6.
Jersey number 6 called for the foul.
Jersey number 6. Paano daw na yan, sir, ha?
Villanueva. Driving strong. Ayaw. Hindi ako muntik na yun. Hirwa. 2 points. Salamat tayo natin si Hirwa. 9:07 remaining. Ricky. Wala na. Good ball, Ian. Villanueva. Ayan pa rin siya. Villanueva again. Number 88, Villanueva. Driving strong. Nandun si Ricky. Ricky, binababa Ricky. 2 points, Ricky. Okay, don't look now. 49-51. 2-point advantage now being enjoyed by still by Mr. In-Flight. By the In-Flight. Moncal, driving strong. 2 points. Moncal, 2 points. Ricky, number 9. Hipolito. Medjarito, malakas. Oh, teka lang. Offensive foul. Ouch. Paki-check na siya, no, Roshan. Please check Roshan, please. Okay, it's okay. He's okay. It's fine. Roshan is fine. Okay, Peñalaba to Mr. Bakiano. Bakiano binababa ang bola. Bakiano. Pops up, Ian. Pasok ang bola kay Ian. And a timeout called. Ano yun?
Nagpasin ko ako ng substitution. Okay? Kung natin po siya umalis, papalit sa inyo. Ang tanong ko bakit ko
Okay, basket niya na confirm kay Ian. Okay, 49-56. Lamuli po ng 5. Ay, ng 7. Hipolito. Nice one. 2 points. Amigo, 2 points. 51-56. And Mr. Mongcal, Travis Siong, naipit na konti, Villanueva, Penelaba, ayaw, Penelaba, walang pinasahan, natin si Ian again, pasok ang bola kay Ian, Ian, back to back field goals ni Ian, Medjarito, amigo, palpal, nice swipe by Hirwa. Okay, labas muna si Mr. Hipolito para ibaklaan. Ricky. No good. Nando si Medjarito, wala pa rin. Ayan na, blue-white shirts. On the run, bakla. Mongcal. 2 points Mongcal. And a timeout called by Mechanicals for sure. Mechanicals go for a timeout. 3-on-3 tayo. 3-on-3. Tapos sila. 3-on-3 na tayo. 3-on-3. 3-on-3. Okay, next game po will be played between Pure Projects and the Sky Team. Nasa na po yung both teams po ninyo. Punta na po kayo dito. Third quarter na po kasi po sinusundan yung laban. 6:56 remaining. 51-61. A 10-point advantage been enjoyed by team in flights. Balik muli po tayo again. Baklaan. Ricky, baklaan again. Baklaan. Ricky, pops up. Ayaw, Ricky. Dish up to Ying. Ying, fadeaway shot. Wala. Ian. Peñalaba. Bacchiano. 2 points, Bacchiano. Nice shot with Bacchiano. Baklaan. 2 points, Baklaan. Walang takot sa Baklaan. Fearless Baklaan. 2 points. 6:15 remaining. 59-53-63. Bacchiano pops up. No good. Rebound. Over out. Ricky penetrating. Baklaan. Ayun. Amigo, wala. Nado si Hirwa. Nakalusot. Mongcal, Bacchiano, naipit, foul. 3 seconds violation pala ang tinawag. In-flight scope for the timeout. Ito, clear. Okay, you're watching right now In-Flights versus Mechanicals. Afterwards po is, ayan po natin yan, Pure Projects and the Sky Team. Okay, Team Sky Blue versus White Team. Baklaan, 2 points Baklaan, back-to-back field goals. 55-63, 5:28 remaining. Hirwa, pops up. Nope. Rebound Ying. Ricky again. Pops up. Kapos. Amigo, kapos pa rin. Amigo, natin may bagyabang may nagbabantay. Ying Palpal. Mungkal. Mungkal. And one play ni Mungkal. Mungkal, the high flyer, 2 points. Plus bonus free throw pa. Plus bonus free throw.
Mungkal on the line for bonus free throw.
Mungkal. Pasok. Okay, 55-66. Lang po na 11 ang team in flights. 4:51 remaining. Baklaan. Baklaan. Ricky, malakas. Amigo, wala pa rin. Rebound. Palpal. Nice dish po sana. Mungkal. Tukupos. Nando si Bustos. Bustos saves the day. Aris Sila, may message. Basahin natin. Shoutout kay Julius Mamba Babagay. 2 points. 2 points. Yurwa, malakas. Walang tawag. Baklaan, binabambang wala. Baklaan. 2 points again. Back to back field goals by Mr. Baklaan. Good ball. Ayun na. Bustos. Sayang. Okay, Ying 2 points. Okay, in-flight score for timeout. The score is 61-68.
Isa na lang po ang laban na naiwan. Target points.
4:03 remaining, third quarter action. May no? Sabi rito, shout out kay Mr. James Armando. Shout out po si Sir. Sabi ni Kimanes, good luck po. Sabi ni Mr. Ruben, tabing Kimanes. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. 4:03 remaining, 61-68, third quarter action. Si Pe, again to Bustos. Binababa ang ball ni Bustos. Bustos, shake sagging. Bustos. Dish of pass kay Pe. Pe, malakas. Ricky for 3. 3 points Ricky. Back-to-back 3 points in also. Bimresyo by Mr. Ricky. 3:37 remaining. 64-68. Peg Borlasa, number 18. Bustos. Barredo. Foul called on Barredo. Foul.
Foul committed, jersey number 0. Substitution.
Barredo, 22, shooting for the bonus for free throws. Wala. First shot, wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Basket made. 2 minutes remaining. Hipolito. Mercado. Ricky. Hipolito again. Hipolito malakas. Rebound battle won by Hipolito. Hipolito again. Hipolito. Tupak kung bilabas. Libas muna. Ricky for 3. Wala. Rebound by Barredo. Barredo binabang bola. Barredo. Mike binatong bola. Ayaw. Pe binato. Pe. Binaba. Borlasa, Papsa, pasok ang bola ng Borlasa. Borlasa, 2 points. 64-70 at 6-pointed advantage by Team In Flights. Borlasa, hindi umabot ang bola kay Borlasa. Masyadong malakas. Okay, balik muli tayo. Baklaan for game of 47 seconds remaining. 64-70.
Let's go. 47 seconds.
64-70, 47 seconds remaining. Ricky. Ying pops up. No good. Rebound by Mercado. Pinapaba ni Mercado ang bola. Mercado. Borlasa 2 points. Borlasa 2 points.
Don't look now. Tumas na sa walo.
19 seconds remaining.
15 seconds.
Baklaan. Ricky.
10 seconds.
Ying.
5 seconds.
Pops up amigo. No good. Mike. Binatong bola. Borlasa. Ang ganda. 2 points. Pero out of time. Okay, the score is 64-72. Final 10 minutes coming up sa ating laro between In-Flights and Mechanicals. This is your AFL Aviation Friendly League, Doubles of Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC Harlan Padala at Thread Needles, and of course, SPBARA for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion at PSB Good Basketball League. And of course, you're watching right now Mechanicals and the In-Flights. Final 10 minutes coming up, 64-72.
Ball will be awarded. The Mechanicals. Sorry,
In-Flights ball, Mercado for the inbound. Sir Mercado. Mercado to Borlasa, binababa ang bola. 9:55 remaining. Pops up, Borlasa, wala. Rebound. Gutierrez sa rebound. Ricky. No good. Ying. Foul.
There's a foul. Foul committed, jersey number 18, Borlasa.
Borlasa called for a foul. Rick. Ying for 2, shooting for 2 si Mr. Ying. Ying, number 0, shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. First shot made. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo.
Second throw.
Nope. Ying, dalawa. Nawala ang bola. Mercado, nawala rin ang bola sa kanya. Gutierrez. Gutierrez, 2 points. 9:18 remaining. Bukal. Wala na, sa baba. Down.
Foul committed, jersey number 20, Gutierrez, pangatlo.
Gutierrez, 3 personal fouls. Inbounding si Pe. Mercado, wala. Rebound by Gutierrez.
Ying, pasok ang lakan.
Hirwa, inbounding. Borlasa, foul called. Foul called. Number 9, Ricky called for a foul. Side throw po tayo. Mungkal, tumis ng Mercado. Mungkal again, Mungkal pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Mungkal. Ganun-ganun lang, simple lang basketball sa kanya, grabe. Basketball simplified by Mungkal. Okay, balik tayo ngayon. Baklaan. Ricky. Amigo, wala. Ricky. Ricky. Baklaan again. Baklaan. Uli, buti na. Gutierrez, 2 points. 7:52 remaining. Final game po natin is between Sky Team and QR Projects.
4 seconds.
Burlasa, no good. Rebound by Ying. Amigo, kapus. Foul called. Uy.
Ball committed on jersey number 4.
Foul number 4.
First personal foul, ball Mercado.
Mercado called for a foul. Medyo nag-twist, natapilok yata ng konti dito si Amigo. Pero pagpag lang yan. Amigo, 25, shooting for 2, 7:20 remaining. No good. Amigo, second throw, jumper ready po tayo. Pops up. It's out. 7:18 remaining. Nandun si Baklaan. Borlasa. Borlasa. 2 points Borlasa. Baklaan. Kapos. Ying. 2 points Ying. Perfect timing. 6:52 remaining. Uy! Teka lang. Napindot. Ayusin mo. Game, tara. 6:42 remaining. Mercado, Mungkal again. 2 points Mungkal. Mungkal, 2 points. Ganun na. Ricky no good. Ying. Ouch! Foul. Foul for who's foul rep? That's Pe. Pe called for the foul. And
First personal foul, 13 foul.
Ricky shooting for 2. Warning for delay, Ricky. Ying, number 0, first shot. Pasok. Ying, second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. That's it, mate. 6:11 remaining. Mungkal. Mungkal 2 points again. Same spot. Ricky. Ricky for 3. Wala. Ricky again. 2 points Ricky. Technical foul. Wag yun, boss. Wag ganon. Technical foul on Ricky. Taunting. Mungkal. Pasok ang bola. Basket may ba Mungkal? .46 remaining. Borlasa. Pops up. Wala. Borlasa. Hirwa. Tapos. Mungkal. 2 points Mungkal. Binuwat ang bantay. Good ball. Walang rawat-tawag referee. Mungkal. Borlasa. 2 points. Timeout called by Mechanicos. Okay, you're watching right now the Mechanicos and In-Flights game. Afterwards po is Cure Projects versus the Sky Team. 5:06 remaining, fourth quarter action. The score is 75-85. Lamang na naman ang 10 ang In-Flights.
Back to the ball game. 5 minutes remaining.
Okay, baklaan for the inbound. 5:05 remaining. Gutierrez. Ricky for 3, no good. Gutierrez, malakas. Ying, foul kay Pe. Sabi ni Kim Minamales, nice run in flights. Okay. Si Chef Manu also is watching. Maraming sanapin. Chef Manu ng bagong liga po yan. Chef Manu. Papawis League. Every 1 o'clock AM po yan po. Live po yan always sa kanilang channel, FB channel. And of course, if you want this live, punta po kayo po sa may gawing Perling CC International School in Mansura. Chef Manu, Papawis League. Ying. Pasok kay Ying ang bola. O, isa-isa. 4:48 remaining. Bustos. Pe. Mungkal. Pops up. Pasok naman. Mercado 2 points. Ricky. Ying. 2 points Ying. Bustos, nagmamadali. Bustos. Kick pass. Uy. Pass up kay Hirwa. 3 points Hirwa. Hirwa 3 points. 78-88. 3:54 remaining. Pops up Ricky. Tapos. Wala. .340 remaining. Okay, Pe, labas muna para kay Mike. Quality minutes kay Pe. Baklaan. Lumusot. Uy, nakula. And Bustos. Bustos, home run. Uy! Oops, sa labas ka nang galing, boy. Violation kagad yung boy. 3:23 remaining. Baklan, pops up. Nope. Gutierrez, power move. Easy 2. 3:12 remaining. 10 kalamangan. Hirwa. Hirwa, 2 points. Ricky, difficult shot. 2 points sana. Okay. Kumota na. Okay, Medjarito shooting for 2. 2:48 remaining. Laman po na 12 ang in-flight. Medjarito, pasok. Pinatay na easy. Medjarito, second shot. Jumpers ready. No good. Gutierrez, no good. Mike, 2 points. Mike, 2 points. Pinatay na easy. 2:26 remaining. Ricky, no good.
Ajay, pass to Mike.
2 points, Mike. Out of bounds. Black ball. Ian Villanueva pumasok na para kay Mercado.
Last 2 minutes.
Ying, running shot, no good. Rebound by Hirwa. Hirwa again. Hirwa, binababa ang bola. Hirwa for 3. Kapos. Philip 5. Hirwa again, another shot. Wala. Rebound. Medjarito. Hirwa. Philip 5 for 3. No good. Baklaan, binababa ang bola. Baklaan, nakalusot. Baklaan. Ricky, for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Ricky. Ricky, 3 points. A 12-point advantage still. Ricky naman. Ricky again. Back to back 3 points. Pasok na rin. 87-96. Naman po ng Siyam. Foul.
Here's number 0. Substitution.
30 pa lang po yan. 1:16 remaining. Foul. Baklang call for a foul. Baklaan, second personal foul. Ian, inbounding. Bustos. Foul. Take 3. Penalty situation. Take what? Take 3, take 2. Okay, Bustos shooting for 2. It's out. Second shot. Second shot po natin. Bustos, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Kapos.
Substitution.
Tapilok si Medjarito. Okay, amigo. Kapos.
1 minute 5 seconds.
1:05 remaining. Mike. Hirwa. Uy! Foul on Gutierrez. 59 seconds remaining. Hirwa. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, Hirwa. Second shot, Hirwa. Pops up. It's out. Rebound battle won by the black shirts. Baklaan. Malakas. Hiporto for 3. No good. Hirwa naka-rebound. Philip, 5. Mike. Villanueva. Foul called. Baklaan pang-apat na yan. Penalty situation. Ian Villanueva shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. It's out. 32 seconds remaining.
30 seconds.
Gutierrez. No good. Hirwa. Nope, it's Hiporto out of bounds. Out of time. Hipolito. Okay, Mike. 20 seconds remaining. Ian. Pinol pa. 9 seconds remaining.
Jersey number 20, Gutierrez.
Gutierrez called for a foul. Ian shooting for 2. Ian on the line. Pasok. Second shot, Ian. Second shot, Ian. Jumpers ready. Kapos. Good. Ying. Okay, that's it. They concede now. Okay, winner by 10 points. Team in flights. Okay. Okay, congratulations po for winning the game. Team in flights, winner by 10 points. Final score 87-97. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa ating lahat.